Welcome back to part 2 of our series on the best free AI tools for academic research. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out for some incredible tools that can transform your research process. Today, I'm diving into 4 more tools that will revolutionize how you manage your research and work with big data. These tools are designed to make your academic life easier, more efficient, and more productive. So let's jump right in. First up is Tavily. This tool is a game changer for anyone juggling multiple research projects. Imagine having a project manager dedicated solely to your academic work. Tavily is that and more. Tavily is an AI research assistant that helps you organize your research, track your progress, and even collaborate with others. It integrates seamlessly with your existing workflow, making it easier to manage deadlines and milestones. It's like having an extra pair of hands keeping everything on track. Whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with a team, Tavily ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Next on the list is PowerDrill. This tool is essential for anyone dealing with large datasets and complex data analysis. If your work involves data analysis, this tool is a game changer. PowerDrill allows you to handle massive amounts of data with ease, making it possible to uncover insights that would be impossible to find manually. PowerDrill enables you to sift through large datasets and generate insights quickly. Its advanced algorithms and intuitive interface make data analysis not only faster but also more accurate. For data-driven projects, it's an indispensable resource. Whether you're working on a thesis, a dissertation, or a large-scale research project, PowerDrill can save you countless hours of manual data crunching. Say goodbye to endless hours of manual data crunching. With PowerDrill, you can focus on interpreting the data and drawing meaningful conclusions. Now let's talk about Heuristi. This tool is a lifesaver for anyone who struggles with managing citations and references. Keeping track of citations and references can be a nightmare, especially with large volumes. Heuristi takes the hassle out of this process. Heuristi is an AI-based citation manager that simplifies this process. It automatically formats your citations and keeps them organized so you don't have to worry about losing track of your sources. No more scrambling to organize your references. Heuristi ensures that your citations are always in order, making it easier to focus on your research. Heuristi has got you covered, making citation management a breeze. Whether you're writing a paper or preparing a presentation, Heuristi makes sure your references are accurate and properly formatted. Last but not least, there's NextNet. This tool is perfect for researchers who need to analyze and visualize collaboration networks or citation relationships. If you're studying collaboration networks or citation relationships, this tool is a powerhouse. NextNet provides advanced visualization tools that help you understand the complex relationships within your data. NextNet helps you analyze and visualize network-based data, providing deeper insights into your academic research. Its powerful algorithms and user-friendly interface make it easy to uncover patterns and trends. It's perfect for researchers who need to understand complex networks. Whether you're studying social networks, citation networks, or any other type of network data, NextNet gives you the tools you need to succeed. And that wraps up part 2 of our series on the best free AI tools for academic research. I hope you found these tools as exciting and useful as I do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Your support helps us create more content like this. Let me know in the comments which tool you're excited to try. I love hearing about your experiences and how these tools are making a difference in your research. Thanks for watching.